Hi everyone, I am Oluwafemi. Very briefly, I want to make some corrections to my initial video made on the mini project one for the 3 MTT Data Analysis and Visualization students. I just want to make some corrections because I discovered that the AI is rubber stamped and it's just streamlined to one way of doing things. Because we should all know that in Excel we have so many ways of getting things done. But I think there's a way that the AI wants the project to be done, and that's just the corrections I want to make right now. Because after reading through my its evaluation of my own personal project, then I've been able to discover what the AI wants, and this is just what the AI wants. As you can see my screen, you need to click here to highlight everything. The moment you highlight all, you you can double click when you have this plus sign. You can see everything is evenly spaced and they all confined in the cells they are supposed to confine. I've done that for the row. Now I'm going to do that for I've done that for the column, sorry, and now I want to do for the row. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to border all. I'm going to border all. Okay, yeah, I've bordered all already. And okay, let me centralize this. Let me centralize the quantity. Okay, let me centralize it. Okay, and let's go through the instructions. The instruction says we should remove duplicate IDs. Okay, so if you are to remove duplicate IDs, you can just click on this particular column where the ID falls. Then go to your data from your ribbon. Go to data. This is remove duplicates. You click on it. When you click on it, when you click on it, you have options like this. Then you can click OK. Now it said it has three duplicate value found, and then remove. It said the found three duplicates were removed. Then you have 28 unique values. So we are rest assured that our duplicate values are removed. You can double check. If I want to double check my work, I can use conditional formatting, which I use in my initial project, but I guess the AI just want us to do it that way. Then I can do it this way. Then I'll check for duplicates. Check for duplicate values. Sorry, let me use the ID. Let me be specific. Since it's the ID, let me be specific. Okay, let me duplicate. You can see I don't have any duplicate. That's why I don't have changing a different color here. So let's continue. I've removed the duplicates. Now the second one is an undo infinite values. That's those values that have INF. Yeah, then I can go back to my data. Let me filter this place first. That's the heading. Go to your home, you go to filter. Okay, filter. Yes, I filter it. Then what am I going to filter? I want to filter those that one that have infinite value. That means I'll go to this place, then I'll select only infinite value. Okay, let me uncheck all. Let me uncheck all. Then I'll select the infinite. Now I have 6 infinite value. And what I can do is I can just highlight from here, and I'll right click and I'll delete. Now I've deleted all. Then I can go back to my filter, then I can select all, then I okay, my data is back. Now all the excuse me, all the INF values, they are all gone already. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I have this date value here. I want to convert because I'm having dates in this format, but I don't want the dates to be in this format. So all I will do is I will I'll select all. I'll press my control 1. Then I'll go to custom. I'm in custom already. Then I can choose this. So here I have short dates. Okay, let me just go to dates. Then I can choose this, and I have short date already. So that's for my dates. Let me do left alignment for it. Let me do left alignment for it. Okay, that's for my dates. That's for my dates. So let me check for other things. Okay, now I'm supposed to check for spelling. If you can see here, the excellent, I think is excellent is double L. So I can filter here again. Then I'll uncheck all. Then I'll select my excellent. Then I turn it to double L. Double L. Then I can highlight or click on it, then drag down to fill all. So now I've done that. So I can uncheck. I can select all, and my data is back. Then that's for that. That's for that. Okay, then the next one is okay, say undo this and this. Then regional analysis, calculate the total quantity sold and total value. Calculate the total quantity sold and value. Now let's see again. Total quantity sold and this. Okay, total quantity sold. Okay, so yeah, I will have my total QS. That's total quantity sold. QS. So if I want to get my total quantity sold, is I will do equals to this particular cell, shift star times this, then I'll hit my enter. Then I can drag down to autofill. Then I double click that place to fill all. So I've got my total goods sold, total quantity sold. I've gotten that. Then I can also border this to make it more pretty. I think that's how we have to do. Okay, for each region, since you're finding the structure summary. Okay, we've actually really gotten that. So for me to do a kind of analysis here, or to just get a little insight about this particular data, I can I can and I can insert a pivot table. Let me go from table range. Yes, from table range. Let me highlight the table range, which is this. Then I want it to be in a new worksheet. Then I click enter. This is my pivot table. Then total goods sold according to region. I'll just click on my region and to my total goods sold. So it has been established that in East is $4,400 that was sold in that particular place. Then from here I can get some insight. I can insert a bar chart. This is a bar chart to that. This is a bar chart to that. To this. Let me name this and what's wrong with my keyboard? And analysis analysis. So this is just a few insights I can get from this data. Then I can actually write to briefly say some things how I got this particular things done. Let me go to insert. Let me go to insert text box. So let me just do this way. Okay, let me just write steps and steps of getting the mini project done. 1, I cleaned the I cleaned the data by removing duplicates by using the Excel function of removing duplicates in data ribbon. 2, I border my table. 3, I checked for wrong spelling and I corrected appropriately. I also, number 4, I also got my total goods sold by multiplying quantity and price. Okay, I think this is all we did in this data. I think that's all. Okay, I also removed the INF. Yes. Okay. Number 5, I removed the INF by filtering it out and deleting them all. I think that's just all we did. This is just a rundown, and I hope you find this video very helpful in our mini project. So thank you for watching. Thank you.